Hey, Uptown Swing, a level 2 tempo month. We worked on some more technique stuff. Remember, the idea is we're trying to like connect from the middle of us, not just up here. We got a little bit of scurrying going on in there, and we worked more on the body. We worried less about the feet. The feet actually turned out to be a little bit better. I think the dancing got a little easier. We reminded you of Frankie Sixes, which we did in first week. We did a little bit of swing out work to remind you that's what we did last week. And then we did a couple new things. We talked about jig kicks. Remember, on the jig kicks, this is not an awesome jig kick. This is more awesome jig kicks. You got to get that vibe when you do it. Got to bend your body. Remember, the same thing goes for our quicks and our slows. It's not rock step, triple step, triple step. We have to remove the pole from our butt, and we have to go rock step, change our weight, change our weight. If you get a little bit of that going, it really helps. We did that on Frankie Sixes, where leaders, you sort of had that change of weight. Followers, you really continued on these things. Then we talked about some strategies for dancing fast. Number 1, you can always take a rain check. Number 2, keep it simple. Leaders and followers. You don't have to get super fancy with it. Then we talked about if you're going to do closed position stuff, that's great. Try some jig kicks and try keeping things turning this way a little bit, and don't stop and start it. Keep it flowing a little bit. Makes it a lot easier. That's a little bit for leaders to choose. And then we showed you this little sequence of stuff. Jen's going to be my demonstratee here. When we're doing this, we started here. 6 count stuff is generally easier. But if you want to do some stuff that goes into open position, nice to have a little cool down move like a circle to wrap it up and come back. This might actually be a nice little thing just to practice this sequence a bunch, because once you lock this sequence, you can do some of the technique things, the how, when you have the what kind of decided. Yeah? Thank you, Jen. Thank you, guys. See y'all later.